All your questions in the first round will start with the answers will start with the letter A. Your timer countdown begins now. Which chronic back pain in young adults worsens with rest, improves with exercise?
Ankylosing spondylitis.
Correct. In postmenopausal women, dysuria may be due to which gynecologic disorder which responds to local estrogens? Dysuria due to which gynecological disorder?
After estrogen deficiency.
Correct. I will give it to you. Calcium channel blockers may cause constipation. Which antihypertensive group may cause diarrhea? Which starting with letter A?
Amlodipine.
Incorrect. Which antibiotic may cause cardiac arrhythmia due to QT prolongation, especially if combined with levofloxacin?
Azithromycin.
Correct. If salbutamol is called albuterol in the US, what is paracetamol called in the US?
Tylenol.
A. Starting with A.
A. I don't know, sir.
Pass. Which mucolytic agent, sometimes used in an oral dose of 600 mg BD in COPD, may cause rotten egg odor of breath? Which mucolytic agent?
Acetylcysteine. Ambroxol.
Correct. Acetylcysteine, I'll give it to you. Which is the commonest side effect of ECT, electroconvulsive therapy? Side effect of ECT.
Starting from A.
A.
Pass.
Which skin lesion is usually a
Amnesia.
Amnesia is correct. Which skin lesion is usually a marker of insulin resistance?
Acanthosis nigricans.
Is correct. In which disease is oral metronidazole probably more effective than IV metronidazole?
Amoebic hepatitis.
Is correct. If a diabetic woman becomes pregnant, which drug given daily reduces incidence of preeclampsia? Diabetic woman becomes pregnant, which given daily?
Alpha methyl dopa.
Is incorrect. If a patient of long-standing RA presents with proteinuria, what complication should you think of?
RA. Pass.
Bacterial aspiration pneumonia is most commonly due to which type of bacteria?
Anaerobic.
Correct. A patient of ischemic cardiomyopathy on treatment complains of glare during driving at night. Vision is intact. Which drug is responsible?
Amiodarone.
Correct. The clinical sequence of pain first, vomiting next, fever last is called
appendicitis.
Correct. Name a prostate-specific alpha blocker that is given for BPH in a dose of 10 mg once a day. An alpha blocker in
albuterol
is incorrect.
Alpha blocker. Alfuzosin
is correct. Fifth question. If salbutamol is called albuterol, what is paracetamol called in the US? Next. 11. If a patient of long-standing RA comes with proteinuria, what complication should you think of? That's all.
I'll continue thinking, sir.
Third question was what? Calcium channel blockers may cause. One question was this. I will give this question to you again. Calcium channel blockers may cause constipation. Which antihypertensive group may cause diarrhea? Achha, she said amlodipine was incorrect. ARB, yes, is correct. No, alpha blockers cause diarrhea. ARB, only one particular ARB, olmesartan, causes chronic diarrhea. How many? 11 or 15? We are allowing trade names.
So acetaminophen or Tylenol both could be given. Is it Tylenol?
She said Tylenol.
And that is the trade name for paracetamol in US.
Yeah.
She's given me a box of chocolate.
Okay. We allowed.
Answer should be from A.
No, that's okay. You have allowed, yeah, sir.
No, we will not allow that because the reason why we will not allow that is that specifically we wanted albuterol, salbutamol, correspondence, paracetamol, and what. So generic name. We are already giving an example of a generic or a pharmaceutical name, and we want that same pharmaceutical name.
But I gave a better answer, sir. So.
Your timer starts now. Between leukopenia, thrombocytopenia, and elevated hemoglobin, which is the earliest manifestation of dengue?
Elevated hemoglobin and leukopenia.
Incorrect. The drug fibanserine was approved by US FDA last year for use only in women. Flibanserin. For what indication?
Pass.
Hemoglobin in women less than 12 is defined as anemia by WHO. What is the defining level of anemia in pregnancy?
10.
Incorrect. An HLA match is mandatory for liver transplant. True or false?
True.
Incorrect. Between ipratropium and tiotropium used in COPD, which is the longer acting anticholinergic drug? Ipratropium and tiotropium.
Tiotropium.
Is correct. If a middle-aged male is detected on bone densitometry to have osteoporosis, which one blood test may give you the
Testosterone.
cause? Correct. Smoking tobacco is a risk factor for oral cancer. Is tobacco chewing a risk factor for lung cancer?
No.
Correct. Lactitol and lactulose are both used as osmotic laxatives in constipation. Name the condition in which lactulose is used but lactitol is not.
Hepatic encephalopathy.
Correct. Abdominal pain that is relieved by vomiting is a feature of which condition?
Intestinal obstruction.
Correct. First line AKT can cause deficiency of which vitamin?
Pyridoxine.
Incorrect. If the diet decolorization time is more than 60 minutes, one should ask for quantitative test for what?
G6PD deficiency.
Correct. Beta blockers can aggravate psoriasis. Which anti-malarial drug can aggravate psoriasis?
Chloroquine.
Correct. Name the enzyme tested in serous effusions that has a good sensitivity and specificity for diagnosing TB.
ADA.
Correct. Uncomplicated gonorrhea is treated with a single dose of two drugs. One is 250 mg intramuscular ceftriaxone, which is the other drug given as 1000 mg single dose in uncomplicated gonorrhea.
1000 milligrams.
Single dose.
Ceftriaxone.
Ceftriaxone 250 is already given.
Already given. Benzyl penicillin.
Incorrect. Which disease that causes malabsorption and steatorrhea and response to antibiotics is common in South India?
Tropical sprue.
Is correct. Between leukopenia, thrombocytopenia and elevated... No, this was wrong. The drug flibanserin was approved by USA FDA for use only in women. For what indication? Anything else? Okay. We will end her round and her score is?
20.
Total 20. We'll give you the right answers. Flibanserin, anybody? Low sexual desire, the first drug ever in women to increase that. 11 grams per cent is the hemoglobin level defined as anemia. HLA match is not required, only blood group matching is required. 1000 milligrams in gonorrhea is azithromycin single dose. Vitamin A deficiency in antituberculous drug. Vitamin D becomes deficient in antituberculous therapy. Vitamin B6 doesn't become deficient, but it prevents peripheral neuropathy by the INH.